Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Clifford, the big red dog. So let's get started. To draw this awesome dog, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw kind of like a circle, but a little bit longer. So I'm going to come about right here. Draw a little bit longer circle. Taller circle, I mean. Or you can just make it a circle. I guess it really doesn't matter. So then let's come right across and we're going to do the same thing. There, so now I have my two circles in. Let's come inside and draw another circle. So right in here, in this space, about right here, towards the bottom. Let's fill this part in. And same thing over here. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to add a circle right here for a highlight and then shade everything else in. And same thing over here. Now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw his big nose. So right underneath the eyes, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve right across, round off the corners. And we're just going to connect it at the bottom here, wide out V towards the center, and then go right back up. And I'm going to come in here, a big oval for a highlight, and then shade everything in as well. Now that we have the nose in, let's come in the center and we're going to draw a straight line down. But before we finish that part, the mouth, let's come back over here, right next to the eye, say about right here in this area. And I'm just going to give myself a curve right here so I know where I'm going for this smile. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Just going to draw two curves. Then from there, I'm going to come about right here. And I'm going to start to draw a curve. Same thing here, curve. And so we're going to go ahead and connect this. So let's bring this down. Nice big round jaw area. So right here. And connect. So same thing on this side. Whatever is easiest for you to create this shape right here. And connect. From there, let's go ahead right in between these two curves right here. We're going to add another curve right here for the mouth. And then let's see here. Let's come to the side right here where the mouth is. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a slight curve right here and here. So this is going to be the beginning of the face. And I'll go ahead and just bring this in a little bit more towards the eye. Right there, and same thing here. So just like the other side. Then from there, we're going to start to draw the top of the head. So nice and high, I'm just going to find my center. So I'm just imagining this big oval. So nice and centered. So say about right here, I'll just give myself a point. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve right over. About right there. And then we're going to start the ears. So right here we're going to start, bring this down, and so the ears are going to end about where the mouth is. So let's bring this down, and about right here I'm going to dip in a little bit where the ear starts right there, and then let's go ahead and draw these floppy ears, bring this down, so about right here where the mouth is. Round it off and connect. So same thing here. So I just want to make sure about right here Bring this curve out just like the other side. Bring this down. And then right here about where the ear starts, dip it in a little bit. And then we're going to start to curve just like the other side. And connect. There. Nice big ears, right? And for the brow for Clifford here, it's kind of like an M at an angle. So right here, just draw zigzag, and same thing here. And zigzag. There. And then before I forget, I'm just going to come in here and thicken the top of this eye just to anchor a little bit. Okay, there. And now that we have that, and finally let's draw his collar. So I'm going to come right in here on this area and here, nice and center, and I'm going to go ahead and connect with a curve. And you know what, let's come in here and I'll shade this in black so you can really see a little bit better. And Clifford is really easy to color, right? Because he's just all red. There, so we have a collar in. Then let's draw his shoulder area. So we're going to pop this out a little bit and pop it out. And now we're going to start to draw his front legs. I'm just going to bring this down at an angle. So nice and long. Bring it all the way down. So about right here. I'm going to go ahead about right here. Draw an angle, and we're going to bring this all the way down. See how long you want to bring Clifford's front legs. So say about right there, a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and pop out his front paw. Bring this down. And then we're just going to angle and curve and connect. And then in this area, we're just going to draw two curves for the paws. And same thing on this side. So about right there. And curve out just like the other side. Angle and connect. There. And then in between, we're going to add a small, like a curve right about in this area. Right there. And then his back legs. So let's come about right here. And I'm just going to pop out curve that comes down right into this area. And then we're going to pop it out again for his back. And in. And I'll just add a curve right here. So same thing on the other side. Pop it out and bring it right into that little nook right here, and then pop out his back feet. There. And then of course we have to draw his tail. So in this area about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve that comes in, round off the tip, and bring it right back. And of course, let's add a heart right here on his collar to make it my jaw so cute. Clifford. So add a big heart right here for his collar. There. And that is pretty much it for Clifford here, but I thought it would be really nice if we added some trees so we could just see how big he is, right? Because that's what's so special about Clifford, is that he's humongous. So I'm going to come about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line through. Just give him some scenery. About right there. And then I'll draw some bushes, so nice and simple, because the whole point is just to figure out so we can know how big Clifford is. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a tree and pop it out in here. So very simplified tree. And just wobble a canopy. There. Okay, so same thing over here. Some bushes, and maybe on this tree we can pop it out maybe over here. It'll be on this side. There, and then we're going to bring this up. And once again, same thing. Wobble canopy across. You can add some grass right there. And so now we know how big. I'm going to come in here real quick with my whiteout pen. Just white this out. And that is pretty much it. So now you know how big Clifford is, right? So I'm just going to add some lines right here. So it looks like grass and we're out in the field. But that is pretty much it. I really hope you love how this drawing turned out. And I almost forgot. Sorry. We need to add some hairs here that makes him extra cute here for Clifford. Okay, now I promise I'm done, and I really hope you love it. Like I said, I made this fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.